Hey guys, it's Meta from Cap, and today I'm going to be talking about our mid-pipes for the B9 and B9.5 S4 and S5. So in this video, we're going to be talking about the differences between the OEM mid-pipes and our Cap mid-pipes, as well as which combinations are best for your Audi setup. Now, what I mean by which combination for your setup is dependent on whether you're running a stock downpipe or an aftermarket downpipe, and which one would work best with either our non-resonated or resonated mid-pipes. Now, what are mid-pipes? Now, mid-pipes are the section of the exhaust that come after your downpipes. Now, from factory, these mid-pipes come with a resonated section, which help quiet the exhaust, smooth out the tone, and kill rasp. So the Cap mid-pipes are a larger diameter, which is 2.5 inches in comparison to OEM's 2.25 inch. So there is a better exhaust flow throughout your exhaust system. Plus, Cap uses 304 stainless steel, which is a more corrosion resistant material in comparison to OEM's lower grade stainless steel. So we have two variations of mid-pipes, and they are the non-resonated and the resonated. Now you may be wondering, which option should I go with? Now this depends on what setup you currently have and what you want to achieve. So for those that are running an OEM downpipe, but want a louder, more deeper tone without sounding cheap or buzzy, the non-resonated mid-pipes are the perfect pairing for your setup. As for those that are running a callus downpipe, your setup is naturally more raspy. So the resonated mid-pipes are a better option to clean up the tone, reduce the rasp, and refine your exhaust note. Now, whichever option you decide to go with, they both come with our Cap flex pipes. The key thing to know is that just like OEM, these pipes are heat shielded in the portion that connects from the downpipe all the way to the flex section. Not all aftermarket mid-pipes come with this portion heat shielded. So you may be upgrading from your stock mid-pipes, but you're actually downgrading the ability to keep heat within the pipe itself without this section. Now, the benefits of having the heat shield is so that it'll help keep heat out of the engine bay and reduce heat soak. So right now I'm underneath my B9.5 S4, and I have the non-resonated mid-pipes installed for my setup. And as you can see, they bolt right up to the center muffler and my OEM downpipe, and it is a very simple, straightforward installation process, and it comes with all the clamps and hardware that you need. Now that we know what mid-pipes are and which setup works best for you, let's hear what it sounds like on my S4. But first, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button down below.